Hello guys, welcome to a new video from the channel. This time we check how to cash out money in Skitter uh, using Gcash. So let's start. So first you have to log in into your Skywin Casino account. Then visit our website and log in using your username and password. If you are not already logged in, you'll need to do so to access to the withdrawal section. Okay, it's important to do it. So navigate to the withdrawal sections. Once you're logged in, navigate to the withdrawal section of the website. Here you will find a list of available withdrawal methods, including Gcash. Select Gcash as your withdrawal method and choose Gcash from the list of available options and enter the amount that you wish to withdraw. Confirm your withdrawal details. Review the withdrawal details including the amount and your Gcash account information to ensure everything is correct. 5. Complete the withdrawal request. Once you're satisfied with the withdrawal details, confirm your request to initiate the withdrawal process. Your funds will be processed and sent to your cash account within a few business days. Receive your funds. Once the withdrawal is processed, you will find a confirmation message from Skillwin Casino, and the funds will be credited to your Gcash account, and you are not free to use your winnings however you like. So that's how you can do it, guys. I hope this works for you. Thank you for watching this video. Remember to subscribe and don't forget to give us thumbs up to this video.